Welcome to the latest from iovox. What a conference. Property Portal Watch Madrid was incredible. Longtime attendees are calling it the best one yet. AI was the theme in nearly every presentation, and it's clear this technology is reshaping real estate. Missed our workshop with Wyem Dardouri and John Hennessy on the end of the missed call? The presentation is available at the link in our newsletter. We're heading to EA Masters. Join us at the UK's biggest estate agency leadership conference on November 4th at Evolution London. Cedric, Dausse, and John Hennessy from iovox will be in the Accelerator Zone, showing you how AI can help capture every lead, even at 2 a.m. Stop by and see us. And we've just published a guide on AI appointment booking for 2025. Discover how AI-powered systems are freeing up staff while improving customer experience. Want to explore AI for your business? Email us at hello@iovox.com for a free consultation. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next month with more insights from iovox. Better data, better results.